Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not playing. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent the game from loading. Next, check the official Roblox server status online to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting gameplay. A simple restart of your computer or mobile device can often resolve minor software conflicts. Finally, always make sure both your operating system and the Roblox application are updated to their most recent versions for optimal performance and compatibility. Moving on to software and compatibility, if you're playing via a web browser, clearing its cache and cookies can often resolve loading problems. Any active VPNs or proxy servers might interfere with Roblox's connection, so try disabling them. Your antivirus or firewall could also be blocking the game. Temporarily disable them to see if that's the cause. For persistent issues, especially on older systems, running Roblox in compatibility mode might provide a solution, ensuring it functions correctly with your operating system. When other solutions fail, a clean reinstallation can be very effective. First, completely uninstall Roblox from your device, making sure to remove all associated residual files for a fresh start. Then, download and reinstall the application directly from the official Roblox website. Additionally, deleting Roblox's log files and temporary data folders can clear corrupted data that might be causing issues. Finally, always ensure you have at least 5 GB of free storage space on your device, as insufficient space can hinder game performance. For more advanced troubleshooting, ensure your graphics card drivers are updated to their most recent versions, as outdated drivers can cause visual and performance problems. If the game is still struggling, try adjusting Roblox's in-game graphics settings to a lower quality. Also, check your task manager for any background applications consuming significant system resources, which could be impacting Roblox's performance. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue and contact Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.